Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting journey towards better health and wellness. If you're looking to boost your daily health routine with something delicious, vegan, and packed with benefits, you're in for a treat. You've got to try Goli apple cider vinegar gummies. These little wonders are not just a supplement, they're a lifestyle upgrade. Let's dive into why these little gummies should be your new best friend and how they can transform your health journey. First off, each bottle of Goli contains 60 yummy apple cider vinegar gummies. That's a whole month of daily health boosts in one convenient bottle. They're vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, and gelatin-free. This means they fit seamlessly into any lifestyle, whether you're vegan, have gluten sensitivities, or just prefer clean, ethical products. So no matter what your dietary preferences or restrictions are, Goli's got you covered. It's inclusivity at its finest. But it's not just about what's not in them. It's about what is. These gummies are packed with goodness. Goli gummies are made in the USA using high-quality ingredients sourced both locally and globally. This ensures that every gummy is filled with the best nature has to offer. They're produced in allergen-free, CGMP-certified facilities, ensuring you get the best of the best. This means you can trust the quality and safety of every gummy you consume. Quality is key, and Goli nails it every time. You can feel confident knowing you're putting something truly beneficial into your body. Now let's talk about the good stuff inside these gummies. What makes them so special? They have a patented formula that includes essential vitamin B12. This vitamin is a game changer for your overall health. Vitamin B12 is crucial for cellular energy production, immune function, heart health, and a healthy nervous system. It's like a little powerhouse in every gummy. Basically, it's a powerhouse vitamin wrapped up in a tasty treat. But wait, there's more. Let's not forget the star ingredient, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has been traditionally used for digestion, gut health, and appetite control. It's a natural remedy that has stood the test of time. Goli combines these benefits with a unique flavor profile that makes these gummies a delight to eat. No more grimacing through a shot of vinegar. No more pinching your nose and downing a shot of ACV. Just pop a gummy and you're good to go. It's health made easy and enjoyable. And here's a little cherry on top. Goli is a proud supporter of Vitamin Angels. This means your purchase has a purpose beyond just personal health. So every time you buy a bottle, you're also helping to provide essential vitamins to children in need around the world. It's a win-win. You get healthier, and you help make the world a better place. So, why not make Goli apple cider vinegar gummies a part of your daily health routine? It's a small change with big benefits. Delicious, nutritious, and doing good for the world. What's not to love? It's time to take your health to the next level with Goli. Go ahead, give them a try, and let your health journey be even more enjoyable. You deserve to feel your best every day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Stay tuned for more ways to enhance your well-being. Stay healthy and happy, folks. Remember, your health journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep making those positive choices.